He's just blowing me.
Lay down and see if he'll do it again. Oh, he loves you, honey. He wants to be with you. What do you want to say to him before I put him to sleep? What do you want to tell him, honey?
I love you.
Where are you?
What do you want to say? What do you want to tell him?
I love you, Frank. Come on. Mom, can you read a story to us?
Sure.
And then, when I'm asleep, I can go out?
Sure. Lay down and see if he'll tickle your ears.
Hey,
Frank!
Frank.
Frank! Where's Lily?
He's just smelling like that.